my house over there. That's where I stay. This is the compound. This is the whole This is where I stay. That is my house with a basin. Well, it's fresh here. It's really fresh here. It's a fresh grass, fresh compound. You can see investment in the village. Well, don't joke with the people in the village. They invest. They invest. I say it's such a beautiful home. It is indeed a beautiful home. You can see kids playing around with beautiful environment, beautiful home, fresh air, sunset. Oh my, what a place. One home I'll really enjoy. I'll miss one day if I come out. I'll really miss this home. It's indeed a very fresh environment.
Atonement for my sin cleanses deep within, and I know that you forgive all unrighteousness. When I call, God, you hear my cry, and I can walk before you in the light of light. You don't forget every tear I cry. You remember every prayer I prayed through darkest night.
my centerpiece. He's my inner peace. The calm in the storm, raging waves he ceased. Even before I was born, conqueror, man and beast, keeping me from all harm, prepared a way for me, wayfaring not alone, guiding me through my travelings. Unaware I was swarmed by all his enemies, haters of God, fake friends to me, pretended to be friends, you see. So I call them more or less frenemies, but regardless of their plots, Jesus had a different plan for me. In the quietness of my thoughts, the noise stops as he gently speaks to me. Jesus is my centerpiece. He's my inner peace. Jesus is my centerpiece. He's my inner peace. He's my inner peace. Jesus is my centerpiece. He's my inner peace. He's my inner peace. Jesus is my centerpiece. He's my inner peace. The calm in the storm.